Hey, my name's Zoe, and my partner Jack and I are currently traveling through the Americas. We'll be documenting the reality of traveling on a budget, so make sure you subscribe to our channel if you want practical and honest travel advice. In this video, I'll be reviewing Patagonia Planet's full-day tour of the Torres del Paine National Park, which departs from Puerto Natales. I'll discuss the cost, the itinerary, our honest review of the company itself, and finally, if we recommend doing this tour. We decided to do a tour in the Chilean side of Patagonia, as many of the hikes here are multi-day. So for example, the famous W and O treks. We've never done multi-day hikes before, and it seemed a bit too logistically difficult and expensive to do on our 18-month trip. The tour costs 65,000 pesos per person, which is roughly 71 USD. You also need to purchase entrance to the national park, and this isn't included in the tour price. This pass is 32,400 pesos, or roughly 35 USD. Lastly, the bus makes a final stop at the Mylodon Caves, and if you want to go in, you need to purchase entrance separately. This brought the total cost for us to 212 USD, or 106 USD per person, as we decided not to go in the caves. We'll discuss why later on. The day starts with the company driving to each person's accommodation and picking them up. We decided to just walk to their office as we were so close by, and this also gave us first pick of the seats on the bus. It is a long travel day. There were heaps of stops during the tour, both inside and outside the park. Something we were impressed by was our guide's ability to spot wildlife while driving. Along the way into the park, we spotted heaps of guanacos, rheas, and even a puma. We never would have spotted a puma without their help, as it blends in so well. Seeing this was a huge highlight for us. All the stops we made were worthwhile, but my favourites were Lago Nordenskjold, I might be butchering that, sorry, Cascada Rio Paine, and Lago Peyo. The bus stops for lunch at Lago Grey. Lunch isn't provided. There is a restaurant there, but I would recommend bringing a packed lunch as the food there was super expensive. As soon as you stop for lunch, you can walk to Grey Beach. At the other end of the beach, you get a clear view of Grey Glacier. This is where we sat and had our lunch. The final stop of the day is at the Mylodon Caves. This is an interesting spot to learn about the discovery of remains of Ice Age animals, mainly the famous giant sloth, the Mylodon. We decided not to go in, as unfortunately a limitation of this tour is that you can't really spend long here, meaning you don't visit all the caves. Also, we thought it was quite expensive for what it was. It would have cost us 25 USD each. You can visit the info center for free though, and we did this and enjoyed it. We were really impressed by the quality of this tour, the tour guide and a driver. Our guide John was bilingual and had really good English, and he provided great information about the park. Our driver Jorge navigated the windy and bumpy roads with ease. We were also given bottles of water and a snack at the start of the day. We had some issues purchasing tickets through the website, but the company was really responsive on WhatsApp and sorted everything out on there. Just to confirm, we're not affiliated with Patagonia Planet at all. We just wanted to give an honest review for anyone that might be interested in doing this. We definitely recommend Patagonia Planet's tour as a good way to see many sites in this part of Patagonia, especially if you're short on time or don't want to or can't do the multi-day hikes. I can't really fault this experience at all. Thank you so much for watching. We'll be posting regular videos about our trip throughout the Americas, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and we'll definitely get back to you.